In today's video, I'm going to share with you how much YouTube paid me for 7,000 short views. We shall also be looking at what engaged short views are and why they are more important than total views. Before we start, I would like you to remember that every YouTube channel is different. So YouTube channels earn differently. So this is a disclaimer. The fact that A earns XYZ doesn't mean B will earn the same amount. An engaged short view is a view where the person genuinely watches your video. They didn't just look at the video and swiped away. YouTube looks at how long did the person watch the video for. Did they swipe away immediately? Did they watch other videos? Did they replay the shots? Did they like? Did they comment? Did they share? YouTube also checks if that short video generated a subscription. Did the person subscribe? And did they continue watching your other content? Now, all these signals are what YouTube would consider to count a view as engaged. So, the more positive engagement your short video receives, the more YouTube is likely to show it to more viewers. This is why a short video with 3,000 views might even earn more than a short video with 10,000 views. So, how much YouTube paid me for 7,000 short views? 7,000 views has engaged views of 2,600. YouTube said only 2,600 views are engaged views. For 7,000 views, YouTube paid me 59 pence at a CPM of 22 pence each. That is how much I made from 7,000 views, 59 pence. So I would like to hear from you. What is your experience with YouTube Shorts? Let me know in the comments. See you in my next one. Bye.